Hey guys, it's Jennifer from Breakthrough Maths and welcome to this video on the introduction to probability. So first of all, probability is the likelihood of something happening. So the likelihood of something happening. What this can mean is the likelihood that you will pass a test, the likelihood that it will rain. All of these are probabilities. So for example, if I told you the likelihood that you will pass your next test in school will be 8 out of 10. That is a probability. So an example, if you flip a coin, what are the chances? So chances and likelihood and probability, it's all the same thing. What are the chances that it will land on a tails? So if you have a coin, there are two sides of the coin. One is called heads, the other is going to be called tails. So what are the chances that it will land on a tail? Well, there's two options, so we put it over 2, and there's one potential tail, so the probability or chances will be 1 over 2. Then what are the chances it will land on heads? That's the same, it's going to be 1 out of 2. There's one head out of a potential 2 outcomes. Then what are the chances of rolling a dice and it landing on a 6? So there's 6 numbers on a dice, so there's 6 potential outcomes. You could get the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. The number 6 is just one of the potential outcomes, so it's 1 out of 6. The chances of rolling a 3 is also going to be 1 out of 6, and a 2 is also going to be 1 out of 6. So there's 6 potential outcomes. Getting a 6, 3, or a 2 are all one potential outcome. Okay, so next, something that's important to be aware of is the probability of an event not happening. So we looked there at a probability of something happening, but if you want to find the probability of something not happening, what you will do is this. If you're told the probability of passing a test is going to be 8 out of 10, so that's the probability of passing. What's the probability of failing going to be? Well, you take 8 from 10, so you'll have 2, and you put that over the total of 10. So then that'll be the probability of failing. Another way of doing that is to say 1 minus 8 over 10, and you will get 2 over 10. So for example, if the probability that it will rain tonight is 0.7, then the probability that it will not rain is 1 minus the probability. So 1 minus the probability of rain is going to be your probability of not raining. So 1 minus the probability of raining, which we told was 0.7, gives us the probability of not raining. So 1 minus 0.7 is 0.3.